Hi everyone, it's the Calculady. I'm back with a tutorial, sick from home, but I want to make sure that I can give you guys as much help as I can on probability while I'm out of the classroom. So let's get started. So this IXL assignment is DD7, compound events, find the number of outcomes, and it's surprisingly simple because we're dealing a lot with fractions. We'll see if we get into any number charts or tree diagrams, but let's start with the simple ones. So we have a spinner and a coin flip. How many outcomes are possible? So we have the bottom of an outcome fraction. So on the spinner, it looks like there are 6 letters. So we would have a desired outcome x over 6, and then for the coin toss you would have a desired outcome like y over 2, because you could get either heads or tails. Now the desired outcomes are not given in this case, we're just looking for how many possible outcomes there actually are. So if there are 6 letter outcomes and 2 coin outcomes, that means I'm just going to multiply these, and there will be 12 outcomes total. I don't know exactly what I'm looking for up top, so I'll just call it Z, but there will be 12 outcomes total just by multiplying the total outcomes of both cases. Let's do another. We have a spinner with only 2 options, and we have 3 cards. 2 times 3 is 6. Really shouldn't be too difficult at this stage, but let's see if they get more complicated. We have a die which has 6 outcomes, and we have a spinner which has 5 outcomes. We'll multiply, and the total number of outcomes is 30. Okay, let's skip a level and see if they get any more complicated. Alright, so you pick a card, a marble, and spin the spinner. How many outcomes are possible? So now we have 3 numbers, and it looks like there are only 2 cards, 2 marbles, and 3 choices on the spinner. So 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12, so it looks like we'll have 12 possible outcomes. We have 2 different sets of cards. One of them is numbers, one is letters, and then we have a coin. Again, 3 options, so we have 4, then 2 options for the coin toss. 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16, so our total outcomes is 16. Okay, let's see if we can jump up any higher to a challenge zone. It looks like they're separating this Q and R into its own set. 5 times 3 times 2 is 30. Is that all it is? Awesome. 2 times 2 times 4 is 16. Okay. Hopefully this one should be super easy for you guys. Just find the number of outcomes of each event and multiply them together. I hope to see you guys soon.